I'm sure Angela is traumatized and crying due to legal fight with Michael, said the 90-day fiancé. She needs to let go and embrace life without Michael. Happily ever after? Michael Ilsamy, who appeared in the 90-day fiancé series, departed from Angela Deem 8 months ago, and I do not believe that she has entirely recovered from the emotional trauma she experienced. Ignoring the warning signs that were there in their relationship, Angela tied the knot with Michael in January of 2020. Angela brought Michael to the United States, expecting that their relationship would improve once they were living together. Despite the fact that I had discovered Michael's suspicious WhatsApp group and secret piggy bank, I was really startled to see Angela bring him here. Michael was unable to win back Angela's trust, which was a very unfortunate outcome. After some time, in February of 2024, he announced his departure from her, stating that he was worried about his safety in Angela's home. After Michael broke up with Angela, he wasted no time in reappearing across all social media platforms in order to realize his ambition of being an influential figure. Angela's decision to initiate a smear campaign against Michael was a source of disappointment for me, despite the fact that I was pleased to see Michael taking advantage of his newly acquired independence. The woman, who was born in Georgia, has claimed that her husband, who is from Nigeria, is a con artist who deserted her as soon as he arrived in the United States. Due to Angela's desire for Michael to be held accountable, she has submitted a petition to have their marriage declared null and void. Michael is ready to wage a legal battle against Angela, and he has received more than $50,000 in donations from his fans. I have noticed that Angela continues to insult her ex-husband on social media, despite the fact that she has received criticism from her supporters. It would appear that rather than concentrating on recovering from the disappointment she experienced in her heart, she is merely making her own suffering worse by continually bringing up Michael. Just a few days ago, I was present when Angela broke down in tears as she was chatting to virtual reality. She expressed her belief that she would never be able to recover from the pain that she had experienced. Additionally, she stated that she intends to campaign for individuals who have been defrauded by the practice of obtaining foreign spousal visas. Seeing Angela, a powerful woman, becoming emotional in such a way is something that I find very difficult to bear. It seems to me that Michael has prevented her from taking full use of life's opportunities. Since the scandal of his runaway, I have not seen Angela in a state of serenity. In my opinion, her tendency to linger on the past is leading her to experience a great deal of stress, which in turn is hindering her from seeing a more promising future. I believe that Angela, who is 57 years old, ought to quit focusing on Michael and the mistakes that he keeps making. It is my recommendation that she decides to cut her losses and put an end to this tiring drama that is having a negative impact on her. After conducting research on the internet, I have come to the conclusion that the former fan of the 90-day Fiancé brand would not be allowed to annul her marriage to Michael, which has lasted for 4 years. Furthermore, I am of the opinion that Michael cannot be deported because he entered the United States lawfully on a spouse visa and withdrew from Angela's residence due to worries about his safety. As a result, I believe that Angela ought simply just give up on her efforts to have him deported and instead devote her valuable time to activities that are more constructive. I pray that she is able to come to terms with the circumstance and make the most of this opportunity to heal. I hope the former cast member of 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After, is able to rediscover the joy in their lives.